Imagine waking up to a world where almost everyone has disappeared. That nightmare may have happened once. Not thousands of years ago. Hundreds of thousands. Every person alive today may share an incredible secret. Our ancestors came dangerously close to vanishing forever. If just a few more people had died, you would never have existed. Around 900,000 years ago, something changed. The human family tree suddenly became almost empty. For decades, scientists searched for an explanation. Then, in 2023, an international team led by geneticist Professor Haipeng Li analyzed the DNA of more than 3,000 modern people. They used a method called FitCol. It allowed them to look deep into humanity's genetic past. Their results were astonishing. The study suggested that the breeding population of our ancestors may have dropped to only about 1,280 individuals. That number is smaller than many modern villages. Imagine every future human depending on a group small enough to fit inside a sports stadium. Why did this happen? No one knows for certain. But scientists have several powerful clues. Around that time, Earth's climate became colder and much drier. Massive ice ages began changing the planet. Forests disappeared. Grasslands expanded. Rainfall became unpredictable. Food became harder to find. Animals migrated. Plants died. Every season became a challenge. Our ancestors had to compete not only with nature, but with predators. Lions. Hyenas. Saber-toothed cats. Even finding clean water became a daily struggle. How do you survive when the world itself turns against you? Many didn't. Generation after generation disappeared. Families ended. Entire bloodlines vanished forever. Yet somehow, a small group endured. They adapted. They shared food. They protected one another. They learned from failure. Those simple choices may have changed history forever. Scientists believe this population bottleneck lasted for more than 100,000 years. That is longer than all of recorded human history. Think about that. For over 100 millennia, humanity balanced on the edge of extinction. Every birth mattered. Every death mattered. Every child carried the future of our species. During this difficult period, evolution never stopped. Natural selection rewarded traits that improved survival. Better cooperation. Better communication. Better problem solving. Some researchers even believe these harsh conditions helped shape the evolution of the human brain. Pressure creates change. Sometimes it creates brilliance. Eventually, the climate became more stable. Human populations slowly expanded again. Groups spread into new lands. New technologies appeared. Stone tools improved. Fire became more reliable. Knowledge passed from one generation to the next. The tiny surviving population became thousands. Then millions. Then billions. Today, more than 8 billion people live on Earth. Yet all of us carry echoes of that ancient crisis inside our DNA. Every family. Every language. Every nation. Every culture. The differences we see today are incredibly small compared with what we share. That ancient bottleneck reminds us of something surprising. Humanity is far more connected than it appears. Your ancestors may never have met mine. But if we travel back far enough, our family trees begin to overlap. The story of human survival was never written by one hero. It was written by countless ordinary people who refused to give up. People who protected their children. People who searched for food one more day. People who kept walking when the future looked impossible. Without knowing it, they were protecting every generation that would come after them. Including you. The next time you look into a mirror, remember this. Your face is proof that humanity survived one of the greatest challenges in its history. You are not just the result of millions of years of evolution. You are the survivor of a